Hello guys, this is Franklin again from Frank Tech. So today I'll be showing you all on how to bulk upload files in SharePoint Online. So there are multiple ways of doing this. So one of the way is using Open with Explorer, which we'll be looking in today's video. And I'll be showing you all to use OneDrive for Business, which is a faster way compared to this one. And we'll be looking at on a different day. So without any further ado, let's get started right after the intro. So the first thing we have to do is we have to use a specific browser. As SharePoint is created by Microsoft, they do tend to use IE, and most of the functionality works with IE, like export to Excel and many other things. So Open with Explorer is one of those features. So let's launch the Internet Explorer browser, and once we launch that, let's browse to the SharePoint site. So the test site that I have created is site/cg. So it's coming with a pop-up. Perfect. So once we have opened this site, you have to go to the document library. So the site is loaded up, and if you're using the online version, you will get a similar interface, or maybe you're getting the classic interface, which we'll be looking into now after I show the first one. So if you click on this drop down, you get the option called View in File Explorer. Once you click on it, it should open up a new tab, and always allow it, and now it should open in File Explorer. There it goes. So now as you can see, it has opened it in the Windows File Explorer, and maybe it might not have worked for you for the first time when you did it. So there are a few configurations that it's provided in a Microsoft article that I'll be linking down below in the description of this video. But just to give you a brief idea, you need to go to the Internet options in IE browser, go to Security, go to Trusted Sites, and click on Sites, and add the sites, which is your SharePoint site. So I have added it here. After that, you need to go to Custom Level, go to the extreme bottom of the page, and select the third option, that is Automatic Logon with current username and password, and click on OK. And once you do that, click on OK, and now you can refresh the page and check if you get the option, if you're able to use the Open with Explorer. Once you do this, if you want to create a quick access link, or we call it as the map network drive, to access it using a shortcut, so you can just copy this link from here, copy, right click on this PC or maybe my computer if you're using an older version of Windows, and paste the link and select the drive letter of your choice. So I select Y and click on finish. So this will give you a quick shortcut, or what we call as the map network drive, and it shows you a green icon, which means it is connected. If it shows a red icon, it will be disconnected. And in case if you get an error message stating access denied or something like that, a pop-up when you're trying to map it as a network drive, you need to go to services.msc, which is this one, and click on any one of the item here and press W. You will see there is a service called Web Client. You need to go to Properties, set it to Automatic, the second option, and click on Apply, and then stop and start the service once. So once you do that and then try the same steps, it should work without any issues. And once it's mapped, you can use it as a local shortcut. But map network drive is useful when you try to upload multiple files which are small in size, maybe like these documents which are 22 KB or around 57 megabytes. So it's very useful for that. But if you're trying to upload larger files, then this wouldn't be the optimal way. We need to use OneDrive for Business, which I'll be showing you all in a next video. please let me know how you like this video. I try to make it short as possible and simple. I'll also be putting the link that I mentioned, which is provided by Microsoft, and in case if you have any queries, do comment down below and I'll be more than happy to answer them. And hope to see you all in the next one. Bye.